So about another, how are we doing, guys? Are we doing well? So tonight we're on Hurricane Jack by Fine Ales. I've had a couple of their beers and they've been really nice. Like top fucking draw beers. This is the blonde ale with character, coming in at 4.4%. Biscuit malt with a balanced sweet citrus and smooth floral flavours with a light bitter finish. A tribute to the finest sailor to ever sail, Loch Fyne. Hurricane Jack is a well-balanced blonde ale showcasing fruity Cascade and Amarillo hops on top of a pale malt base. Look forward to getting stuck into this. Got my Millennium Falcon bottle opener, courtesy of Spice and Easy. Can't get the fucking cap off, so low. There's a cap. If you're interested, I've fucking butchered it, sorry. It's an F for fine. Look at the colour of that. There's a slight, it sounds like a chalky sort of chalky white head to it. It's a lot lighter actually. To me, it's more like a lagery colour. Sort of hazy, but there is a clarity to it. Looks quite nice. Looks very nice. Sort of so it's a solid sort of 2-finger chalk white head, I'd say. Sort of decent levels of carbonation. It's quite a clear beer. For a blonde, I expect it to be sort of murky, but there's quite a nice clarity to it. Almost like a lager. The head's still fucking rising. See if we can get anything from it, shall we? It almost smells a bit like Hogarden. There's that sort of citrusy, floral spiciness to it. They're like a Belgian wheat beer, almost. A Belgian wheat beer. Could this be a Scottish taste on a Belgian? Scottish take, even, on a Belgian wheat beer? I mean, they say blonde ale with character, but I mean, it smells very much like a wheat beer to me. There is that sort of spiciness, like a earthiness, but also like a sort of sweet citrus. It smells fantastic. Cheers. There's a real earthy bitterness to that. A real punching bitterness right on the tip of your tongue. Like a real earthy bitterness. That is really nice. It's moving along the palate now. Bitter, super bitter. There is that spiciness to it as well. There's a spiciness. It's like floralness to it as well. And a little bit of citrusy sweetness. It is a bit like a Scottish take on a Belgian wheat beer. It's really nice. Really nice. 4.4%. Again, yeah, for me it's like Hogarden. It's like a better Hogarden. It's like if Hogarden was bitter, had a much more bitterness to it than a sort of that cloviness to it. If you replace the clove with the bitterness, that is absolutely beautiful. Really bitter, quite earthy, slightly malty. Just a real easy drinking beer, but you know you're drinking something good. It's not like a lager, it just sips down. The bitterness makes you respect the beer. It makes you sort of take a step back and go, whoa, that's a good beer. Highly recommend. Hurricane Jack by Fine Ales. That is absolutely delicious. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, fantastic beer. That is fucking belting, that is. That is really, really nice. I'm going to sit here now and I'm going to enjoy the rest of that out in the sunshine because it's a cracking day. And it seems stupid to sit in here when it's fucking so beautiful outside. That's a real nice summer beer, that. I'm telling you now. You can get your hands on it. Hurricane Jack by Fine Ales. About £2.50 from Boots. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I'm not really rate stuff, but that's a 10 out of 10 straight off the bat. Thank you for watching, guys. You've been awesome. Love you to bits. Catch you next time. Peace.